Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new bank account into Coinbase. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect a new bank account to your Coinbase in order to fund your cryptocurrency investments. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, and if you haven't signed up for Coinbase just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, you'll get $20 worth of Bitcoin sent to you. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on Coinbase, and after you're logged into Coinbase, on the upper left hand side you want to click on the hamburger icon, and then you want to click on Account and Settings where your name is at on the top hand side. Next you're going to click on Add a Payment Method, and then this is where you're going to add a bank account, debit card, PayPal, wire transfer, or a gift card. So click on bank account. Once you do so, it's going to prompt you to use Plaid in order to log into your bank. So it's going to redirect you to this account called Plaid, and then you're going to need to log into your bank account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank account to Coinbase. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.